Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set your Subaru Roman 15 clock. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position. Next, find the info button, usually located on your steering wheel. You will need to press this button several times until the clock display appears on your multifunction display. This initial step ensures you are viewing the correct screen before making any adjustments. Once the clock is displayed, press and hold the Info button for approximately 2 to 3 seconds. You will notice that the hour digits on the display start to flash. This flashing signifies that you have successfully entered the clock adjustment mode, allowing you to modify the time. This is a crucial step before you can begin changing any of the numbers. Now that the hours are flashing, briefly press the Info button to advance the hour one digit at a time. Once you have set the correct hour, press and hold the Info button again for about 2 seconds. This action will switch the flashing from the hours to the minutes, allowing you to adjust them similarly. After you have set both the hours and minutes to your desired time, press and hold the Info button one last time for approximately 2 seconds. The flashing on the display will cease, indicating that your new time setting has been successfully saved. Your Subaru Roman 15 clock is now accurately updated and ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.